Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I took some oats, and this is the brand of sprouted rolled oats. I added a fresh banana, some almond milk that I'm actually, this is walnut milk, but I'm recycling the Simply container. And then on top, I added some coconut oil, a little bit of agave. And by the way, I soaked them overnight in a measuring cup. I used about a cup of oats and then covered it with another cup of water. And there you go. There's the coconut oil, the agave in the middle, which is kind of hard to see. And that is almond milk. I haven't stirred it up yet. And this is what it looks like stirred. They are very tender and very good. So I hope this was helpful. Love y'all later. Mwah.